If you want to hide photos and videos on Redmi 15, all you have to do is simply go to the gallery. If you want to hide a single photo or video, then you can open it, tap on it in order to see these options, and then we're gonna tap on these three dots over here in the bottom right corner and then choose Add to Album. And over here we have Private Album, so we can select it and then press OK. We need to set up the privacy protection password if you do this for the first time. So enter the password twice and then go next. You can also use your Xiaomi account in order to be able to recover your password in case you forget it, but you can also set to not do this right now. And there we go. And the photo is moved to that private album. You can also move multiple items at once. You just have to press and hold your finger on the first photo that you wish to hide in order to select it, and then you can keep adding other stuff. Let me actually go back. We just have to tap on the circles that we have in the bottom right corner of the photo or video. Once you add everything, once you select everything, you should be able to find Add to Album over here at the bottom, and just do the same thing. Just press OK, and we go. And if you want to find these this private album, you just have to switch over here to this other option, and over here you should be able to find somewhere. Alright, we just have to swipe down. I forgot about it. So we have to swipe down over here like this in order to open the private album. And there we go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.